Hi everyone, this is a quick two-part series on how to add your students to Hapara. So part one is simply going to focus on creating your form. If you already know how to do that, you probably just want to skip right to part two. But on part one, for creating the form, make sure you're in your Google Drive. Choose New Google Form. It may be underneath the More option. So New Google Form. First thing you want to do on your form is don't leave it as untitled form. Go ahead and call it something appropriate. And you want to check the box that automatically collects the student's district username, which would be their email address. Once you have done those two things, you're really going to ask just two questions. The first question you'll ask of your students is their name. I like to say last name. That's all I really want to collect from them because it goes in order with SIS. I make this a text option so they can type in their last name, and I make it a required question. I then make another question, making sure it's required. And on this one, I'm asking for their hour or class. And on the hour or class, I'm going to make it a choose from a list, and I'm just going to put in the list the classes that I teach. That way the student gives me their last name, the hour they have me, and it's automatically collecting their email address. If under the hours you have a class that is an A day or a B day, you would want to put A day or B day. That way they have the appropriate selection to choose from. Again, it makes your sorting easier. And there you go. And if you choose View Live Form, you will see the form. If you don't want it to be plain white with the background, you can go to Change Theme. And here you can change your theme to whatever you would like. Now when I View Live Form, there we go. So that's how you create the form to get the email addresses for your students. You will use this link right here, Control-C copies, to distribute to your students. You can do that through email or through Google Classroom. Use that link for them to fill out this form. All right, part two will show you how to add student email addresses into Hapara.